my dear students. Class 2nd Standard, Subject Maths, Session 16, Unit 6, Portion Heading, Selection. Hi cuties, good morning. We learned about systematic listening in our previous session. The keywords are systematic list, pair, way. I think you tried and found all the possible ways to place them in that gift box, right? Okay, cuties. Today we are going to learn about selection. Selection is the process of identifying numbers in all possible ways. Okay? Selection of two numbers first. Children, see this fruit. What is this? Yes, custard apple. Let us see the possible ways of keeping 4 custard apples in these baskets. Children, how many custard apples are there? Yes, there are 4 custard apples. Now, we have 2 empty baskets and 4 custard apples. Let's find the possible ways to keep these in the baskets. Okay? See the table. First one is number of ways. Next column is number of fruits. See the first way. The first basket is kept empty and the second basket is filled with all 4 custard apples. So, the number is 0 and 4. Very good. Next, way 2. The first basket is filled with 1 custard apple and the remaining 3 custard apples are kept in the second basket. So, the number is 1 and 3. Therefore, totally 4 custard apples. See the third way. You put 2 custard apples in the first basket, then put 2 custard apples in the second basket. Now, both baskets have equal custard apples, right? Therefore, the number is 2 and 2. So, totally 4 custard apples. Next, way 4. Put 3 custard apples in the first basket and then put 1 custard apple in the second basket. So, the number is 3 and 1. See the fifth way. Put 4 custard apples in the first basket and there is no custard apples in second basket. Therefore, the number is 4 and 0. Totally, there are 5 possible ways of keeping 4 custard apples in 2 baskets. Now, let's see the practice part. There are 2 pots, one with 10 red roses and another with 5 yellow roses in the garden. List down all the possible ways of choosing 10 flowers from the pots. Now, we are going to list out all possible ways of choosing 10 flowers. From part 1 and part 2, we have to choose 10 flowers. Let's see the possible ways. Okay? Way 1. We can choose 10 flowers in part 1 and 0 flowers in part 2. Now the total is 10. Next, way 2. We can choose 9 flowers from part 1 and 1 flower from part 2. Next, way 3. Likewise, we can choose 8 flowers from part 1 and 2 flowers from part 2. Okay? Similarly, way 4. We can choose 7 flowers from part 1 and 3 flowers from part 2. Way 5. 6 flowers from part 1 and 4 flowers from part 2. Next, way 6. 5 flowers from part 1 and 5 flowers from part 2. Totally, we have 6 possible ways of placing 10 flowers in 2 pots. Are you understand about selection? Okay, dears. Today homework for you. Write the practice question and answer one time. Okay. We will see the next class. Thank you, students.